Hi, I'm Eduardo Lina. In this video, I will show you how you can grade an exam that you create on Moodle. This is a site that I'm preparing in one of the Moodle platforms of the Ministry of Education. We are going to have a look at how to grade an exam for Module E, but I'm not going to be using this Moodle site to show you the exam. I'm simply going to show you what the exam looks like and then how I graded the exam on a Moodle Mashup platform, because this is the platform that I use at school. Great news is that you don't have to work with Mashup in order to get your Moodle platform. You can get your free Moodle platform, and not only one, as many as you need, by requesting one or more from the Ministry of Education. This is the exam, written the exam and uploaded it on every page for every question. But what I did was to upload it on a Google document, and I used the link of that Google document in order to share it with the pupils on Moodle. This is the text. And I even had a recording of the text so that pupils who need that recording can simply listen to it. Hi. So I'm going to be showing you how checking an exam on Moodle is both easy and very useful. I'm showing you now my Moodle at Google. We use Moodle Mashup. So you see here one of my courses. Notice that this is English 5 points. You set this from the point of view of your teacher. And I have turned the button, this turn editing on button, so that I can work on the exam. So that's why you see all these icons, whereas pupils don't see them. And this is the exam filling down. There's a reading comprehension and a listening comprehension. When you click here, you see how many kids have attempted the test. Let me show you the test first. Please notice I'm going to click on preview the test so that you can see it. I've done this, and this is what you see. You see the questions, and this is the so I have recorded myself reading the text and uploaded that onto Moodle. I simply used the microphone and the recording application that I have on the computer. Listen. Not only for our physical health. A few details about this exam and exams in general. You probably ask yourself, where is the exam? How do I create it and where do I find it? Well, it's very easy to learn. For example, you could go to Learn Moodle 3.5. Just write Moodle Gradebook in 3.5. You will get this video that will tell you a little bit about how to create those exams. Notice please that I have allowed 2 attempts and that I have accepted as the grading method the highest grade, so that if a pupil fails the same first exam or doesn't get a good grade in the first exam, he can improve or she can improve the grade. 14 pupils have attempted the test, and what I'm going to see is I'm going to see the results. So I'm going to click on results. I click results, I get this very thing. Just click on show report. And then I will get the names of the pupils who have written the exam.
An example gradebook in a different course. Depending on your administrator's settings, you might see the various elements of the gradebook as tabs across the screen or as a drop-down menu or both. The first screen is the grader report, where you can see the students you have and graded activities.
Okay, to protect the privacy of my pupils, I'm not going to show you their names, but this is more or less the same screen on my Moodle platform that you saw on that movie. And notice that I have already checked the exams written by these 2 pupils, but for this one, it says no graded yet. Notice the different colors. If you see one white and the other one is light blue, it means that the same pupil has attempted the exam twice, and the platform will take only the second attempt, the highest grade. I mean, not just the second, because sometimes the first is higher than the other one. Let's notice this one. Most of my questions were multiple choice questions, so I could choose the right answer, and if a pupil marked the answer correct, he got the point right away. But some others required grading. So let's check this one that required grading. And you can see that in a pop-up, the answer appears. A pop-up means that this screen has just appeared. Since this is the first, here's where I will grade the answer. I'm quite happy that the pupil has answered, so I'm going to give this pupil a grade accordingly. To mark the grade, I'm going to give this pupil anyway 6 points out of 6, because I'm quite happy that the student has attempted this test. And so my grade has been marked. By clicking not graded yet, I can get the entire text of that pupil, all the answers provided by the pupil. Notice that these are the answers, and you will notice that I have already graded this one, and the pupil got 3 points out of 6 because of a slight mistake that the pupil made. And then I have to go and check the other answers, like this one, for example. Having this in one page, I get the following. When I finish the review, I click on finish the review, and that brings me back to the page where I have all the names of the students, and I can continue working on the report. And when I finish checking the grades, I can see the grade ranges. Moodle is both easy and quite useful when it comes to giving students exams that they can do out of class. So you can extend the time and the space of the classroom into the digital environment. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope this has been proven to be of use to you. Goodbye.